Haka Jingkitkhlieh ke sorkar jela ban pensuk ya ke rukom terekam ki Anganwadi katkum ke jingyat ke juk teknologi benta. Haka lai terik ujeleu arajar arpusan ketenat social welfare ke sorkar jela. Kala sam deki mobile phone shiki Nongtrei niki district karirum khasi bat Jaintia ha North Eastern Hills University Convocation Hall Shillong. Hagani kasni kala donru ke demo and distribution of Eco H2O filters shaki Anganwadi kajing sam sernot iki longkemi ki ba sengkam lajong kajing sam check ya ki new CMK beneficiary kajing IT ya ka check shaka district social welfare officer Shillong banshna ya ka stop center ha Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong kajing play perda ya umau nongrim ka children home boys and girls lat waitang bat ka JJB bat CWC office Nongstoi kajing play perda ya umau nongrim ka one stop center ka Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong nalor kiwei di hagani ka ngilai don langru da konrad kongkol sangma ubade menteri rangba ka jela ubala longru kumu kongsan uba pol lingdo menteri ka social welfare uba bantedor lingdo MLA ka Kyrwoh Pravin Bakshi IAS Commissioner and Secretary ka tanat social welfare ka kong Camelia Dorin Lingwa MCS Director ka social welfare nalor kiwei di haba ai jingkren uba pol uloong ban nalor ki mobile phones bala sam mentakasni ansa sam shishu sha ki hinreo hajar shispa anrepo arngut ki Nongtrei Anganwadi khanang bakin yo ban pentrei kam hakikam ki jam jongki
shispa anrepo arngut ki Anganwadi workers. Nganget pa darab la clear ye kitu ki mobile phone ka jing thap ti jopi kan kham jam ban kata take away ka Bakhia kali Anganwadi workers yang aru ki kali yung kita ki phone ki jongi ki balong kumno ngong kilong ki babyang kat ba pendon kam kum ki Anganwadi workers kidon ki ong mi kwa ki smartphone ki bahatam ngong ladang le bukta penyebut kam banyak page Netflix bat banyak PUBG Iklat no ya duty jompi haki centers tinggi ai ke bab tik kan dia yang kapkum ke kamram ke jompi bat lada don kenu kaset ke ba pilap bakalong ke basniu ke bam trekam ngilong ki ploy ban bujli ya kataru tambah kata kemut ba pimpdem kai ya ke phone hadabor bat nantu basawan umpai sangi dipendon kam ho ni dan hangni bun ni asngotu baklai gane ke ketien baong minister ni shem ba kidai kibru kiwadan haka kerdan ke bahaya hendrai ke dictionary ke batai baka ketien menteri kamut ubasyakri Chief Minister, our Honourable Chief Minister is here. The verb, Minister Kabut Ayu, to attend to the needs, Banpet Yakajing Don Kam, to take care of, Bansumal Zuhair, to give aid, Ban I Jing Yarab, to give service, Ban I Jing Shakri. Kata kadai kajimut jongga kentin minister nak terdau ngasngau ngalong badon bok baling ba kisnyam di bubun jong Jingkitkhlieh lingha ak kampat ba kumbai director kongdorin benailah batai ko basang ko long poi hani ngalong badon bok ba haki hakasin ke basau ngayo ya kadika rensang om tang bansam iki kedien hendrai bansam ya ka jing syakri bun nabi hangni maju pun kermau ya ka bangakren haki program jongla department ke jongi bangi ye kran chipang ki brio ki bangi ye pet bah ye sumar bah bak kita kiri brio kibaran ni ong iki kibaran kajing duna ha ki tukhat me hakani kahol menta kan paisi bun nangi midai kibrio ki babet babiang ki kiti ki kejap klam don ganu kajing duna lani kajing ana hendai ngong ni perkhat ha ya kan dia dan bun nangi ki babiang artli ki kejap hendai kita ki kejap kim jam syapran ngiran artli ki kiti hendai kita ki kiti kim shim lakner ban kersyan yeno ngiran ki remyang suntur hendai kita ki remyang suntur ki klam kerku yeno ngiran artli ki skor kita ki skor ki yosno tanpa kim snap
ukon rat ula ongru bagi Nongtrei Anganwadi ki donye ke Jingkitkhlieh ke Bakhia bha hapo ke imlang ka salang de ka ba ai jing sumar sukheri ki longkmi ki ba armet nalor ki wei de ki jing shakri jongki
are invited, are felicitated and are given the respect and honor that each and every one of you deserves. I may be the chief guest of today's program, but this is a program not meant for me. This is a program to celebrate each and every one of you. This is a program for you. This is your program. And you are the chief guests of this program. And I want to start by thanking each and every one of you. Last time we had a program in Sabanda in Kyrwoh Hills. And I told the Anganwadi workers and helpers that God has given each one of us a responsibility at different levels. And we are doing and working as per the responsibilities given to us. You have a responsibility that is far more important, far more impactful, far more meaningful than any other responsibility I can think of. And that is to give care, to give protection, to support our pregnant mothers who need all the care that they can be given, to give care to the young children who sometimes are not able to get even 2 meals a day. I want to remind you that you have a great responsibility. There is no responsibility that is too big or too small. Every responsibility is important. And that's the reason why we are here to celebrate each and every one of you. And I am here personally to thank you for the service that you're giving to the people of our state, especially to our mothers and to our young children. I want to thank our dynamic minister, Paul Lingdo. It is under his leadership that today's program has actually fructified. Technology today is a very, very important part of our lives. And it can transform things like never before and like nothing else can. And it's a great driver and a great facilitator to be able to provide service at the grassroots level.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya